It's 3:30 a.m. on March 25th. Look at the moon. Look how beautiful it looks. It's big and bright. I'm taking the video out my window. My window's closed. Look how big and bright it is. It's supposed to be doing an eclipse today, but I'm not sure if this is the eclipse right now. It was so bright, like not that long ago. Let's see if I can get it. I like who we are. We got a big, beautiful world. I think it is the eclipse. Yeah, it's 3:30 in the morning. I think it might be because it's so bright. Usually not that bright. It was shining so much over me when I was asleep. I woke up and a couple of hours ago, and I was like, let me try to get it before it goes down. It's shining real bright. See? Let's see if I can get up higher. I don't feel like going outside. I don't feel like opening my window because it's cold. I'm always cold. See that? It looks beautiful. I do not feel like getting up. See that? It looks like a star. Look at that. Wow. I'm gonna get my telescope and see if I could, I'm gonna have to get up and go out to the window. See that? That's amazing. Let's take some pictures. Yeah, that's an eclipse or something. Because it's so bright. It's beautiful too. It's almost like the sun, which is so weird. That's how bright it is.